Construction is a self-wealth and wealthy discovery. Here we create different types of roads. We do measurements on a particular types of project. We also check the errors to avoid a failure of a project. And we also check the operation of the project, which is the most important thing. Greetings to everyone. In this video, we'll be looking on how to construct a cable-stayed bridge. So when you are creating a cable-stayed bridge, you have started by doing a planning, then make a research, whereby you check the solution toward environmental effects. Quantity surveyors, they must make sure that they make a complete and the right survey, and also the material that must be delivered must be the material that is relevant to the environment where the project will take place, because there must be no collapse or a demolished project here. And the material must be delivered to start the project. Here we have to install the steel pipe. So here we're installing the steel pipes just to form the base of this bridge. Once you're done installing the pipes, then we have to install the sheet pile. After doing that, then apply footing to form a complete base of the bridge. The labours and the crane will help to raise the segments of the tower and set them to their positions. And the height of this tower, it's about 110 meters. The diverted length of the bridge deck is about 23 meters. And the joints between the segments are maintained using concrete and the erection of bolts. So we are now starting at the completion process. So here we have to install the segment 0 of the deck. Then stayed cables are installed to segment 0 to keep forces balanced and also to transfer main load into the pile. On the deck completion process, we also have strength checks, as you can see there with the red steel. They help to hold the segment in place. The crane on the bridge apartment is there to help for the installation of longitudinal beams, precast slab and concrete for the construction of a bridge deck.